హలో వ్యూయర్స్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు సాక్షి శర్మ ఉన్నారు. అండ్ వారు వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే ఇన్సెక్యూర్ అనే మూవీ ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించి ఇప్పుడు మనం తనతో పాటు ఉన్నాం. సో తను దీనిలో ఒక హీరోయిన్గా చేస్తున్నారు. నమస్కార్.
हेलो नमस्कार.
हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड.
तो बोलिए साक्षी जी, कैसा आपका इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ है सर? ये फिल्म में आपको ऑफर कैसा आया?
जी बिल्कुल, एक्चुअली मुझे मेरे मैनेजर का कॉल आया इस मूवी के रिगार्डिंग. सो कैरेक्टर स्केच वाज फैंटास्टिक एंड द टीम इज़ अमेजिंग एंड इट इज़ रियली अ वेरी गुड वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट हियर. And we have a lovely unit और all the actors they are doing amazing job. And ये मूवी एक्चुअली बेसिकली कॉमेडी ऑनर का है. So basically I am playing a character called Ara. So who influences all the three men of the family. Father, son and Baba. So it's like that. So it's I'm sure the audience they're gonna love this subject.
I think this is totally comedy genre, right?
Yes.
And actually what happens is, Sakshi ji, when it comes to comedy genre, it is completely different when we play from other genres.
Yes.
If it is romantic, it is another side. If it is like horror or suspense, it is another side. But when it comes to comedy, you need to put lot of inputs.
Yes.
Why? Because हंसाना उतना आसानी बात नहीं है. तो एक्चुअली इसमें आप कैसा चैलेंजिंग रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, ये मेरा भी फर्स्ट कॉमेडी ऑनर है. मैंने हॉरर में घोस्ट रोल्स काफ़ी किया, सीरियस सिनेमा किया, बट दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर कॉमेडी ऑनर एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट because all the actors, their expressions, they are properly casted. They are like according to the role that they are perfectly suiting. So and I'm sure कि जो actors हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से pull कर रहे हैं अपने characters and I'm damn sure कि audience is going to love this movie.
And one thing, Sakshi ji, like this is a challenging role you are playing and I think whatever the story you have told, I got that. This is a kind of centric role, woman-centric role. What you are doing, I think so.
Yes.
Like because you have lot of scope to be in this scope. You have lot of scope in this story actually.
Yes.
So how you are enjoying this one, and you have any kinds of songs?
Yes, sure. And yes, we do have song. We already completed shooting for 2 songs. And I am a trained dancer. I am trained into Kathak, Indian classical dance, and I'm trained into belly dance and Bollywood dance. So in fact, I also supported the making of the 2 songs by doing some minor choreography steps and all, and the entire unit, my director, DOPs, they loved the steps and it matched the situation perfectly. So songs are fantastic. That's according to the mood, and the actors have pulled it off really nicely.
As an actress, keeping apart, you are a very good belly dancer and even a Kathak dancer even too. So this task is completely different when it comes to the performance, when it comes to comedy levels actually. So how you are going to manage all these things, because it's a totally a different aspect what you are in this one actually.
Yes, actually initially I was into full-time dancing, but then I got trained into theatre and performing arts. So these are both 2 sides of the same coin. So if you are trained into dancing, so it enhances your emotions and your expressions. So you can understand the scene really beautiful. You can visualize. So if I'm trained into dancing, so it becomes quite easy when I come on the set. So even if it's an instant song, I'm ready to perform. And plus if you are trained into theatre and also acting becomes easy. So it's 2 sides of the same coin. So yes, it's challenging, but I'm loving it.
And how come your Kathak dance and your belly dance expressions have helped you to get into this one actually?
Yes, there are a lot of expressions involved in dance, especially in our Indian classical dance, which is quite complicated and it's a very lengthy procedure. So it's almost 8 to 10 years dance course. So even between the shoots, I keep on rehearsing, I keep on doing riyaz and all. So every day I'm doing that. So it enhances my emotions, my expressions, and it helps into acting scenes as well.
So how come you are expecting your Tollywood career now?
Sure, and I'm really looking forward to this project Insecure because this is my first entry into the comedy genre, and this is a complete family oriented subject, and even my family and entire Hyderabad, Andhra, whole of India, they're gonna love this subject and the movie.
Okay.
So I'm quite looking forward for it.
Okay, so I think this is your introduction project, and surely you are going to rock in this one. And really, you know, we wish all the good luck from our channel even too. And how come, you know, Telugu, like you have any kind of Telugu dialects when it come to
Yes, yes.
what you have learnt actually?
Actually, I've been learning Telugu since the last 5-6 months, but being from Mumbai, being a North Indian, it's quite difficult for me to catch up the language that easily, but still I'm trying my level best. So when the director sir, he gives dialogues in Telugu, so I'm able to understand. So basically, be it any language, even if it's French or any language, it's just the expressions and emotions in the scene which are important. So language comes secondary after that.
I think now a lot of North Indians are coming and rocking in Tollywood, right? So expecting the same from you even too, and all the good luck to you. So thank you very much, Sonakshi Sharma ji. And viewers చూసారు కదా, మొత్తానికి సోనాక్షి శర్మ గారు ఇన్సెక్యూర్ మూవీకి సంబంధించి ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించిన ఎక్స్క్లూసివ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇది. సో డెఫినెట్గా వారికి గుడ్ లక్ చెప్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ. సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పెద్దికేశ్వరి.